Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your account on the Pokemon TCG Pocket, okay? So this is what you do, guys, okay? Once you're on the home page, what you're going to do, you see those three horizontal lines at the bottom right here? Click on that. And then, guys, what you're going to do is click on Other. The last option here with the gear icon, click on Other. And now, guys, what we want to do, guys, we're going to click on the third option right here that says Account. Now, right here, it says Account, so we can actually delete our saved data. Because this one is linked to Google account. What you can do is just delete your saved data and you can change your account that way. Once you delete it, and they will ask you to log into another account. Or what you can do, guys, if you're on your Android device, what you can do, let me just show you, okay? Just go to your home screen. Guys, go to your home screen. You see this app right here? I can just uninstall the app and then just reinstall it from the Google Play Store. And then basically what's going to happen, guys, is that when we reinstall it, it's going to ask us to sign in again. It's going to prompt us to sign in again, and then you just sign in with your different Google account, and basically you can easily change your account that way as well. So those are the two options, guys, you can use to change your account. So if this video is helpful, guys, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below if you're still having any trouble, and I'll help you out in the comments below as well. And until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel so I can actually see you guys in the next video.